Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars But No Coffee. Today I'm just going to go over a few things that I'm taking the car tomorrow morning to a body shop for. So we're going to get a couple things fixed. There's some rock chips and stuff. The main thing is right here. So we're at the passenger side door. There is paint coming off right here. And we didn't find this out until we got the car back here because I didn't hear the noise and I didn't see that. Yeah, I don't know how I missed that. Well, it looks worse now, honestly. So I don't know what happened. Maybe it happened when it was sitting at the dealership, but it's been rubbing, ever since we got it. So I can show you right here. When I open the door, you'll hear it. I hate doing it, but you get the point. It's rubbing like somewhere inside there. So we're getting the, this should all get fixed. And then the, I think the fender, I don't know, I think it's the fender, but that needs to get realigned properly so that, you know, obviously we can stop it from rubbing. And then they're also gonna touch that up with the paint, fix the paint right there. And then little small thing right here, kind of annoying because on the door handle, but I don't see it because I'm usually driving. But yeah, a little chip here on the passenger side door handle. And then there's a really small rock chip over here too that they were taking care of for free. So that'll be nice. So yeah, the only thing that he really quoted me for was right here, the, you know, realigning this the fender and then correcting that there. And he said he would cover all the stuff like the passenger side door handle, the rock chip there. So one more thing was the hood right here. So on the driver's side right now. So this is on other cars too. I know it's on the Acura SUV because my brother has the same issue. But basically, I don't know why they designed it like this, but maybe someone can tell me. But basically, like when you you know, lift this up, you can see right there. It's, I mean, I don't want it to touch, but it's about to hit that, and you know, we're barely up, right? Like, we're not that far off the glass. So in the owner's manual too, it states that you need to pull this up. Sorry, you need to turn the car on, turn on the wiper and then turn the car off, you know, while the wiper is somewhere over here, and then you stick it up. So when you're washing the car or whatever, that's how you stick it up. But yeah, so the reason that came was because I think the previous owner or whoever, you know, washed the car, tried to, you know, lift this up just like this. So ended up with that stuff there. So I think that should be taken care of too. The weird thing is, that one lifts up fine. You can see like how high it is versus like this, you know, we're about to touch and we're not even anywhere near as high. Sorry, this is going long, but I'll give you guys an update on how everything looks after I get it back tomorrow. All right, everyone, it's the next day, and from the body shop, and Shelby's looking a lot better. The damage coming from this passenger side door scraping up on the front fender. I mean, you can't really even see it. Might be hard for the camera to see too, but yeah, I mean, they did a good job fixing that. And then obviously the biggest issue is when that caused that damage too, is when we opened this, you know, there was a scraping. is thankfully gone now. So yeah, it's scrape like right there every time. I hated, I hated even opening the passenger side door. I would really try to avoid opening it. Obviously, if someone else is in the car, I'm gonna open it, or they're gonna open it. But other than that, I really tried avoiding it. So that's nice that I don't need to avoid that. Another thing they fixed was there was a chip here on the door handle. They fixed that up real nice. So that looks better. And then there was a rock chip right below the headlight, right there. I mean, you can still kind of see it, but I mean, they did a really good job fixing that as well. And then there was one more thing. So on these GT350s, can't lift this up all the way. So I think the previous owner or whoever washed it did lift it up, and there was some damage there. I mean, you can still see it. They just did like a simple touch up. But I mean, it definitely looks better than it did before, so that's nice. But yeah, I mean, they washed the car. I dropped the car off in the morning today. This is Monday morning. And then I got the car back at the end of the day. So I dropped it off a little before 9 a.m. and then got it back. They were ready with the car like 5:30. They had washed the car and everything. So yeah, I highly recommend these guys. It's a dude that, started his own business, has been doing it for a while now. And I mean, he gave a really good price too, so yeah, definitely recommend them. But yeah, Shelby's looking a lot better and this is fixed, so it's really good. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, one more thing. They also fixed this thing here. The dealership tried to fix some damage, and it just made it look really bad, but this looks a lot better now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.